When it comes to interior design work, it's all about finding a company with both the experience and the expertise to bring your vision to life.
I believe that when somebody's actually looking for a design firm to work with, they need to understand the individual they're going to be working with, how the individual is able to translate their vision and understand their lifestyle. We have very close working relationships with our clients, so being able to work with them collaboratively and translate how they want to live in their home and the function of the spaces in the home is really crucial. And that really comes down to the individual designer that's working with them on their team. I set up my design studio in 2018. It's FDG Design Group. I actually started my career as a graphic designer. I was fortunate enough that my dad was a developer, so I grew up around construction sites. And I'm able to visualize in 3D, and that really has helped me along the process through the design industry. The graphic background really informs how I put together presentations and visualize, and that has been a really great foundation for the design.
FDG Design Group is a full-service interior design firm. Through their work, their experts are able to express the human spirit as well as the art of living. They specialize in luxury residential and hospitality projects and can create unique spaces for every client.
FDG is an interior design studio specializing in luxury design. Our services cover a range of interior architecture, where we work closely with the project architects and the technical team, as well as decorating and turnkey services.
From high-end beautiful homes to bespoke hotels and resorts, they can create and design anything. The most important thing is to make sure the client feels comfortable in their own space and that the space works for you.
Designing is not the only consideration when we think of the home. Our approach is a sensory, holistic approach. I think the design really starts from the approach to the home, the interior space, and how you transition to the exterior spaces. I believe people are very visually stimulated, so we tap into the senses by the application of art, color, and forms, and how that translates into the art of living. It's critical to really understand volume of space and form. When you go into lighting is key in terms of the experience of the room, and understanding layered lighting levels, scale of furniture within the space, that it feels comfortable and that it fits within the various areas. I believe if you don't understand scale and form, you can be putting in furniture that's way too small for a room and it feels completely out of proportion.
Elements and flowing of a space is really important. We want to make sure that everything is cohesive within the designs that we do. So we usually start with the envelope, which would be the floors, the walls, the ceiling, and we start studying the architectural structures and making sure that everything is in scale and proportion. And from there, we start looking at the furniture pieces, whether they be custom or something that we find and curated, and we work with the finishes with those to make sure that it works within the space. And we also look at fabrics and make sure that we have a little bit of punch someplace.
What sets FDG Design Group apart is the fact that they design to your lifestyle. When you first meet with the team, they spend time getting to know you. After understanding how the home will work for you, the professionals can select the right colors, furniture, art, and more.
The foundation for any design is really understanding the homeowner lifestyle or the family's lifestyle and function of spaces for the home we're working on. Our homes are very personal to us. You know, we all live and function in a different way, and being able to tap into that with the homeowner or the family, or even the client, depending on what we're designing, is key. Through thoughtful, collaborative design, we're able to achieve that.
sit down and meet with clients, we engage all along the way. It's important that we understand their visioning, so we usually start with concepts, visualization, to make sure that we're on target for what the client's seeking for their home. From there, we'll start developing further into space planning, and we'll look at different type of concepts that they enjoy, and we include them all the way. So it's very great to have interaction with them. We're very transparent with our clients. We even do procurement, so they're involved with every step of the way. We share it all.
Sustainability is key to a greener future, and that includes the fabric choices you make. FDG Design Group chooses sustainable, beautiful fabrics that are both good for the environment and good for your home.
There have been some great advancements with renewable and recyclable materials. In our firm, we tend to work with the more natural fibers, so you're looking at wools, linens, cottons, recyclable fabrics. The natural materials tend to be biodegradable, and that's always been a great basis for us. There are also recyclable materials that are options for the homeowners if they want to consider that. And we help inform them in terms of selections. There are also other elements that play into it, sort of VOCs, depending on the homeowner and how environmentally conscious they are or how important this is to them. We work with them on this process.
With both an East Coast and West Coast office and experience all over the world, FDG Design Group is the only choice for interior design work.
Here at FDG Design, we're very lucky because we have a bi-coastal situation happening. We have a Miami office and a San Francisco office, and we have global clients. We do a lot of work in Europe. We've worked in Portugal. We are currently working in Mexico. We also have a lot of island work in Hawaii. So we have a global aspect and approach to our work. It's very exciting.
If you're looking for a design company that has the knowledge and experience to create a beautiful, unique space, visit their website, fdgdesigngroup.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.